Ding 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 ding. Remember me? I'm the one that had you, baby. Right. Now then. Damn. Well, I'm just in Conundrum City at the moment. Usual thing. I'm thinking I need the end panel on here next to the washing machine, supporting the worktop. But then I was just looking at the other side of the washing machine. So obviously end panel in here, but what I'm thinking is the plinth comes along here. Where does it finish? The answer is it doesn't really at the moment. So I think I need an end panel here as well. Then I have a square edge. I can do the plinth up to there, plinth across to that one, plinth across, and I need another end panel there. Let's measure up for the one I've got. It's kind of there, isn't it? What is a flat? Who'd he get? Sack the juggler. D6 in a bit. Let's call it 87. Let's get it up there. Ooh, where's the Sharpie? Right. Rubbish. Right, before we go any further, let's measure again. Right, so this is definitely, no, it's changed. 86 and a half. Oh, for goodness sake. I've measured it about 8 times and it's different every time. Stupid things. These measure tapes. Well, if this don't fit, we need 2 more end panels. 3 more, in fact. God, it gets worse. How can you go backwards? Right. So that needs to come up a fraction, and holy schmoly, it kind of fits. That's just a noodle thick one. Right there, isn't it? the chances, eh? What are the chances? Don't know if you can see down here, but the wall kind of comes out and in, and the usual shake it all about scenarios. So I need to take a fraction off there because I need to come 10 mil there. So if I did that, I don't think we're far off. So I think it's that bit at the bottom that's my problem. Let's give it a trim. See where we're at. Oh yeah. Ah, yeah. I mean, come on. Just about there. We're about a couple of mil proud. Excuse me. Just need to trim. There's a little section here. There's a little section there. What I might do is I might actually scratch a bit off the wall because it's a little bit easier than trying to do this chipboard. It just kind of fractures the coating. Once we've got that, then this end here will be good. It looks better already, doesn't it? Right, let's try and jiggle this around. Just in, out, shake it all about. Right, come on, be good, hey, be good. I mean, how do I keep doing it? Knocking it out of the park. That's pretty good. Okay, now I know that one's right. I need one the other side, I think, and then I need to measure up and cut these plinths and work out how to fit the plinth bit, you know, kickboard sort of thing. Because if I know where that is and I know what's going on there, then I can start tidying up this bit of wall, door trim, and round here and building some sort of something to hide all those pipes. How am I going to hide those pipes? Put it in a massive cupboard. I think a massive cupboard will look stupid. Trouble with this is it's really quite deep, and cupboards don't come out far enough unless it was a sort of a floor cupboard, and then the floor cupboard doesn't look quite right. So what I need really is some bits down here that then go, this is, yeah, I can make that. I can make stuff like that. I can make stuff like that. Easy. in here, this end panel, that looks alright, doesn't it? But what I noticed was, we don't have, so in there I need another, because then the plinth will run up to that. Because at the moment it would just be open-ended.
Yeah. So I need another one.
I need another. I've got one arriving tomorrow, and I now need another one as well, I think. Because I chopped one up to do that bit.
Right.
Which seemed sensible because I thought I don't need them.
Yeah.
And then
I don't think you'd need it.
And then I went, oh, hang on, I do.
Yeah.
But do you see what I mean? Then that
in
here will go to a hard edge. This has got plenty of space still. And the jobs are good.
Sure.
So it's not fixed in today. Yeah. But yeah, I was looking then to fit sort of a panel here and then run boxing up there rather than hide the whole thing.
Yeah.
Just do that. So I need to kind of measure it up and build a frame here. But I'm moving that. Anyway, right, folks, there we are. I've just updated Matthew. Matthew is going great guns with his business. He's now booking in jobs for next year. So that's fabulous. The reason he hasn't been here doing much is because he hates it and he's bone idle lazy. Oh no. The reason is he's working like 12-hour days at the moment in all sorts of things. So yeah, he's going great guns. I can't believe it. So proud of him. I really can't believe it.
I'll be more proud when I make some money.
Yeah, well, no, you are.
Okay.
Beginning to get a fledgling business going. And in this day and age, well, I just hope he makes lots of money, because then he can pay tax on my behalf instead of me.
Yeah.
As the government will take it. The government will take it all, Matthew. You won't have anything left.
The business I've established actually operates out of the Cayman Islands.
Yeah, it will do soon. It will do soon. Yeah, he'll be leaving the country. He'll be one of these mega millionaires that live offshore somewhere, or it'll come to a point where they have to live off planet. So come on, Elon, get that moon base ready, because the likes of Matthew and these other sort of billionaires are going to be living there. Anyway, folks, I've had enough. I got distracted with a phone call. I kind of got the end panel in. I need to order another. I've got one turning up tomorrow, so I'll be able to do that. Put the plinth in, and then I'll do the windowsill and this boxing and all the other stuff as we continue the escape to the dream house. And the answer is no, I'm not going to build a dream house on the moon. Okay? In case you were thinking. See you soon.